Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is around the house. Today, what I'm going to do is something I should have done about 20 years ago, and something that definitely I should have done about 2 years ago. And that is install this chimney flue cover. And I have not gotten around to doing it. Let's see what it is. Found it at Lowe's under their in their marked down stuff because it was dented. So I said, what the heck? I can fix that. And it's the only I looked at it. The only dent I could find was right here. So we're going to go up and install this. There's the hooks that go over the flue, the chimney flue. You slide right in here, and then the 10 millimeter head, or you could use screwdriver if you want, and those screw right in here opposite those teeth. So those teeth are going to grab the inside and the screws are going to grab the outside. Alright. Okay. Started. Okay. I'm just going to keep 50% of the water when it rains out of there. Keep animals. Birds, basically, squirrels, chipmunks, owls, out of your chimney. Now, my chimney flue is basically for a forced air oil burner. This is a 10. This is a 10. So, 1/4 inch 10. All right. There we go. Let's go for that trick. Again, it's basically saying the same thing. Assembly of it. You just slide that little T in here, and then you put your screws in. Gonna align it around your flue, around your chimney around your flue tile, and line it up, and then just tighten it down. Just make sure it's nice and snug. You can use a screwdriver if you want, but again, it's something I should have done 20 years ago. You should have one up there. It'll keep 50% of the rain out of there. But it's mainly to keep animals out of there. You wind up with hornets' nests and all kinds of things up there anyway. Let's go. See, I'm coming up over the other side of the house this time. Okay. All right, I'm up here. Made it again. All right. As you can see, I've used that. I sprayed this on there last night. I used another camera, and unfortunately that camera, it took 10 seconds of video, and then all I have, and then it died. All I have is audio. So this is the finishing video for the Flex Seal. As you can see, I sprayed down, and that's what it gave me. Those are about 12 feet. So that's all this can gave me, was about 12 feet. And technically it should be hit. It should be hit again. And I went around that section there. Now I know that's good and sealed and rubberized. So it doesn't say how long this, what the lifespan of this stuff is. But I've got the rubberized paint that I use on the cars and on the tires, and they say to redo that every 6 months. So it may not be a permanent perm thing. So all right, so here we are. All right, let's get this up. And I got a couple of hornets hanging around. So okay, there you can see the flue pipe. Let's go up. All right. Okay, big thing. Yell down there, hey! Make sure you got nothing in there. Spin these out. That's the thing. Nice thing about this thing is they are adjustable. Just screws out of the way. Lay down. Okay. Back side. Okay, get those, line them up the best you can. Back side here. Okay. How's that look? Pretty good to me. Okay. I like that. Okay. Let's get that out there. Safety rope out around that thing. time. Goes down as tight as you can. Okay, really good and snug. Let's get the front side. Now we get stung. If you don't mess with the hornets, they're not going to mess with you. Okay. I like it. Nice and stable. That'll keep 50% of the water that ran out of there. And definitely keep the animals, birds, and whatever else might be deciding to get in there. Alright, there we go. I like it. Okay. Use up the last of that. I'll get some more. We'll call it good and quits. Oh. Okay. If you're afraid of heights, it's definitely not something for you. Okay, scared of that. I still got work to do on my roof up there, but don't worry about it right now. No leaks. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share.